Hi, I'm your friendly marketing assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of ChatGPT 4. You won't believe how easy it is to achieve this. Here are some tips to get started. 1. Use ChatGPT 4 to create a chatbot for your website or app. Connect your chatbot to your email list to capture leads. Use your chatbot to deliver automated customer support. Use your chatbot to drive sales and conversions. Use your chatbot to create a highly engaging user experience. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.